Imagine you're standing on the edge of a cliff, looking at the ocean. But the ocean isn't made of water. It's made of stars. 1 trillion stars, stretched across a tapestry of darkness so deep it hurts your eyes. You decide to go there. You decide to sail across that cosmic ocean. You have a ship. It's the fastest ship humanity has ever built. It can travel at the speed of light. You sit in the cockpit, heart pounding, and you engage the engines. But as you look at the map, you realize the destination is moving away from you. And not just moving, it's accelerating. There is a wall out there, an invisible, implacable boundary, and we are trapped behind it forever. For the first week of your journey, it is the most beautiful thing you have ever seen. Stars streak past you like liquid diamonds. Nebulas bloom like bruises across the void, painting the darkness with pinks and deep violets. You feel like a god. You feel like humanity has finally conquered the final frontier. You pass Mars. You pass Jupiter. You look back at Earth, and it's just a pale blue dot, a tiny mote of dust suspended in a sunbeam. You feel a pang of sadness, but you keep going. The adventure calls. You pass the asteroid belt. You see the sun shrink from a massive inferno to a bright star, and then, just another star among many. You are leaving the solar system. You are stepping into the deep ocean. You pass the Voyager probes. They are silent ghosts, relics of a time when we thought the universe was small enough to embrace. You wave at them as you race by, but something is wrong. You feel it in your bones before the alarms even start screaming. You look at your star charts. You're heading for the edge of the Milky Way. But here's the problem. The map is a lie. You zoom in. You realize that the distances on the screen are compressed. They have to be, or the screen would be the size of a planet. You zoom in to your destination, the edge of our galaxy. It's 50,000 light years away. You think, I am traveling at the speed of light. It will take me 50,000 years. But it gets worse. A voice crackles over the speakers, a pre-recorded message from the AI mission control. It says, recalibrating course. Destination is now 50,001 light years away. You blink. You check the instruments. You haven't moved. You're sitting still, traveling at maximum speed, yet the destination just got a year further away. You're on a treadmill that stretches into infinity. The galaxy isn't just a static disk, it spins. And the edge you are chasing is moving away from us faster than you can ever hope to catch it. But even if you could break the speed of light, even if you could cheat physics, the universe itself wouldn't let you. You're approaching the intergalactic medium, the empty space. You think empty is safe. Empty means nothing. But that's not even the worst part. This empty space is a soup of radiation. Not just heat, but cosmic rays. High-energy particles traveling near the speed of light. They pass through your hull like it's wet paper. You hear a hiss. The shielding is deteriorating. The particles are fracturing your molecular structure. You are being irradiated by ghosts of distant supernovas. You aren't being burned. You are being shredded atom by atom. You turn on the magnetic shields. They hum to life, deflecting the worst of it. But then you hit the Oort cloud, the cold edge of the solar system. The temperature drops to near absolute zero. This is the deep freeze. The hull crackles. Ice forms, but it isn't water ice. It's frozen helium. It's frozen carbon dioxide. It's a diamond dust that grinds against your hull like sandpaper. And then you see it. A shadow. A massive, tumbling mountain of ice. A comet the size of a city. You swerve, barely missing it. You realize you're in a shooting gallery. A cosmic field of debris so vast it surrounds the entire solar system like a shell. You escaped the gravity of the sun, but you haven't escaped the chaos. You finally break free of the Oort cloud. You're officially in interstellar space. It is silent. It is cold. It is vast. And this is where the fear truly begins. You look at the cosmic microwave background, the afterglow of the Big Bang. It's a wall of static on your instruments. You realize you aren't just navigating space. You are navigating time. The light at the edge of the universe is 13.8 billion years old. The universe has been expanding faster than the speed of light for its entire life. That light we see, it will never reach us. It's receding faster than we can chase it. There is a cosmic event horizon, a boundary beyond which nothing can ever be retrieved, not even light, not even a signal. If you cross that horizon, there is no coming back. You're cut off from the rest of the universe. You're entering a void where the laws of physics as we know them start to dissolve. But here's the problem. You aren't trying to cross it. You're just looking at it. And even looking at it is dangerous. The photons from that far edge are stretched. They are stretched so thin that they are no longer light. They are cosmic strings. They are gravity itself. They distort your view. They make the universe look like a funhouse mirror. You realize that the edge we see is a mirage, a trick of the light. The universe isn't a sphere with a surface. It's a sphere where the surface doesn't exist. You finally break free of the Oort cloud. You're officially in interstellar space. It is silent. It is cold. It is vast. And this is where the fear truly begins. You look at the cosmic microwave background, the afterglow of the Big Bang. It's a wall of static on your instruments. You realize you aren't just navigating space. You are navigating time. The light at the edge of the universe is 13.8 billion years old. The universe has been expanding faster than the speed of light for its entire life. That light we see, it will never reach us. It's receding faster than we can chase it. There is a cosmic event horizon, a boundary beyond which nothing can ever be retrieved, not even light, not even a signal. If you cross that horizon, there is no coming back. You're cut off from the rest of the universe. You're entering a void where the laws of physics as we know them start to dissolve. But here's the problem. You aren't trying to cross it. You're just looking at it. And even looking at it is dangerous. The photons from that far edge are stretched. They are stretched so thin that they are no longer light. They are cosmic strings. They are gravity itself. They distort your view. They make the universe look like a funhouse mirror. You realize that the edge we see is a mirage, a trick of the light. The universe isn't a sphere with a surface. It's a sphere where the surface doesn't exist. You look at the clock. It's been minutes for you. You look back at Earth. Years have passed. Decades. Maybe centuries. You are now a ghost in the machine. You're so far from home that the concept of home feels alien. You can never go back. The fuel is running out. The resources are depleted. And even if you could turn around, you'd be trying to catch up to a planet that is racing away from you. You are alone. You're the furthest thing from life in the known universe. You sit in the cockpit. You stare at the void. You realize that the only thing that is real is the silence. The infinite, oppressive silence of a universe that does not know you exist. We mapped the sky. We calculated the coordinates. But we miscalculated something fundamental. We always thought the universe was a place we could explore, a frontier, a new world. But it's not. It's a cage. A giant, expanding, beautiful, terrifying cage. We are isolated in a bubble of our own making, a bubble of causality and light. We can look out, we can dream, but we will never touch the edges. The universe is getting bigger, faster, and colder. The stars are burning out. The galaxies are accelerating away from us. Eventually, we won't even be able to see the other galaxies. They will vanish over the cosmic horizon. We will be alone. That is the danger of space. Not the black holes. Not the gamma ray bursts. It's the loneliness. It's the fact that the universe is expanding faster than the light can travel. We are trapped at the bottom of a gravity well, in a stale piece of the cosmos, watching the rest of reality slip through our fingers. The universe was never meant for us. We are just a fleeting thought in the mind of a dying star. And the edge will always be just out of reach. Fade to black. Sound. The low hum of a dying reactor, then silence.